Hello and welcome. This is Sam Malai. Fourth part, retargeting. So 95 to 99% of prospects don't take action from the first time that they meet you. Again, think about your own actions. Do you ever go from seeing a website or hearing about somebody and just calling them and hiring them? You don't. So what you need to do is you need to set up a retargeting. Retargeting is like putting up your billboard in front of only the people who have already shown interest. So somebody just like Googles you and they have a question. Somebody has a problem and they Google and they get to your website and they read your content. They're not ready to take action right then. They're not ready to hire, let's just say, a business lawyer just because they have a question about where they should form the LLC. Instead, you want to set up a retargeting to target your own website visitors to come back to you on Facebook. So the highest ROI, again, is retargeting your own website visitors. This is the only Facebook ad campaign you should create. You should not do anything on Facebook until you've at least created this kind of campaign. Is a Facebook retargeting campaign targeting your own website visitors. People who have landed on your website have already shown interest in you and what you do. And what you want to do is retarget those people back on Facebook to tell them, hey, I know that you're interested in this certain topic. I'm the one that could help you with this. Come back. I could definitely help you. This is by far the easiest Facebook ad campaign you could create. Don't try any other type of Facebook campaign until you first turn on a Facebook retargeting campaign. This is an example of a couple of my retargeting campaigns. What I found out is testimonials work out great. So let's look at this first one. Hey, get your item with 100% money back guarantee. It's basically portraying that 100% money back guarantee aspect of my service. The second one does really exceptionally well for me. All I do is I take one of my client reviews, a video of it, and I transcribe his review, put some stars above it, and I just put it up. And all I do is pretty much I send them back to a sales page or a page where I want them to take action. And this does really well. It gets a lot of engagement, a lot of comments, and it just does really well. Or another Facebook retargeting video. Again, this video only gets shown to people who have shown interest in getting an item. So it's like literally putting up a billboard only in front of the people that really need it. It just does exceptionally well. It probably adds 20 to 40% of my sales comes from retargeting.